Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Lincoln welding helmet. A properly fitted helmet is crucial for both your safety and comfort during welding. We'll go over the essential adjustment points to ensure you get the best protection and clearest view. Taking a few moments to set up your helmet correctly can make a significant difference in your welding experience and overall productivity. Let's dive in and get your helmet perfectly dialed in. First, let's focus on the headgear. The top strap adjustment is key to positioning the helmet properly on your head, ensuring the viewing area is at eye level. Next, use the rear headband knob to achieve a snug, yet comfortable, fit around your head. You want it secure enough so it doesn't wobble, but not so tight that it causes pressure points. Proper adjustment helps distribute the helmet's weight evenly, reducing neck fatigue during long welding sessions. Now, let's talk about the auto-darkening lens settings. The shade level should be chosen based on your welding process and amperage. Typically, shades 9 through 13 are common. Adjust the sensitivity to ensure the lens darkens reliably when the arc strikes, even in varying ambient light. Finally, the delay setting controls how long the lens stays dark after the arc extinguishes, preventing eye strain from residual light. Experiment with these to find your ideal settings for optimal vision and comfort. Before you start welding, always perform a quick test to confirm your auto-darkening lens is functioning properly. Simply strike an arc or use a bright light source to ensure it darkens instantly. For ongoing maintenance, regularly clean both the outer and inner protective lenses with a soft cloth to maintain clear vision. Also, periodically inspect the headgear and lens for any signs of wear, cracks, or damage, replacing components as needed to ensure continued safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.